Good morning. Thank you for tuning into my channel. Um, this will be my first video in this channel. And in this channel, I'll be documenting my trading journey, just how I analyze, how I view the market, make my analysis, and do my trading. And that is what I'll be documenting in this my channel. So if you find it valuable, please do well to like, share, and subscribe to this channel. Thank you. And today we are going to be analyzing some charts together, how we view the market. Usually I do top-down analysis. So first and foremost, as part of top-down analysis, we are going to analyze the market from the monthly. Let's see how the market has been doing in the past. This is volatility indices 75. So we'll first go to the monthly and see how the market has been doing. And currently for this market, the market has been in a downtrend for a very long time. Market has been in a downtrend for a very long time. All through here, we can see very clearly we are in a very bearish movement. And for the monthly, the last low is high, a low, lower high, lower low. This is the last lower high, and the market has broken the structure, moving to the downside for the monthly. So let's mark the demand, the supply area. This is the supply area. This is the supply area. So let's go down to the weekly time frame. Be looking at how and where we can be able to enter a trade. Since the market is strongly selling, we won't be looking at buying opportunities yet. We'll be looking at how we can be able to join the selling movement. So we'll go to the weekly. So now in the weekly, let me move this is the, I will just put this horizontal, this vertical line here as indicating the last high. So our concern will now be, everything we are analyzing will now be from here to here, from here to here. As you can see, market has broken this low already. Market has broken this low already. Market has broken this low already. So we are going to focus on this zone, and let's see the opportunities that the market presents to us as we go by. So we'll be going to the daily time frame to see how the market has been doing. But here we have two key points we can mark. This is one of it. Possible area for market to retrace to. And this is also another key area, immediate area. So let's go to the daily time frame and see. So we are currently in the daily time frame, and these are the two areas that we have marked. If markets gets to this area, the market gets to this area, for real, yeah, there is going to be some selling opportunity for us to sell the market. And if market could not be able to continue the downward movement from here, then coming from the weekly time frame, we'll now say, okay, market is most likely to come to this area for a continuation. So, but until then, let's look at what market is giving us currently. So go back to the daily time frame. And here in the daily time frame, sorry, here in the daily time frame, we are going to streamline our zone, point of area, point of interest. Sorry, going to streamline our point of interest to this supply zone. Yes. So this is our first point, that if market gets to this point, we'll likely likely look for some selling opportunities to enter the market for a sell. Let's now go down to the 4 hours time frame. So here in the 4 hourly, let's look at how market has been doing. A high, a low, lower high, a lower low, lower high, a lower low. All this is one low. And then market now is trying to retrace back to this zone before continuing. So market has been moving from this lower zone, a high, a low, higher low, higher high, higher low, and then fake out has not actually broken above, closed. Let's look at it. Okay, just like a fake out and a very bullish candlestick, and then followed by another very bearish candlestick, a tweezer. The bearish and the bullish candle are of the same length. That is to tell you a serious rejection. So if we go to the daily, you can see the rejection happening there. See the rejection. Market came, could not close above, price was rejected. And today candle for now has been pushing to the downside. So we'll go back to the 4 hour. So this is where we are currently. So we'll be looking a key point. The first key point I'm seeing here is here, this area. Market was in a consolidation in this area for 8 hours. This is a doji candle, this is a doji candle, and then we have this bullish engulfing candle, and then it pushed up. So this, since market is in the higher time frame, is totally bearish, this will be just looking at it from this aspect, that if market get to this place, we believe that there are still some buyers here that will be able to enter this market to push it. So if there is a good signal for a buy, you can enter a small buy position and then push this market to this zone. So this is our higher time frame daily zone, where we will now join the market for a long time sell. But for now, today market is pushing to the downside. But if market did not get to this our daily zone and it breaks below, then we are going to like, okay, since we have broken below this low, we'll be looking for a retracement back to an area like here, and then we'll join the sell, enter a sell trade to continue the sell movement. But for now, we have to wait and see what the market is going to do today, tomorrow, and then we'll know whether we are going to have a small buy or market will just do some liquidity grab. You can see this is a trend line. A trend line. This is a trend line liquidity. Market can decide to just grab this, tap to this zone, and then move to the upside. Market can just tap the zone and then move to the upside. So that is about volatility 75. If you like what you see, please subscribe. I'll be bringing more videos about how I analyze the market on different pairs and different strategies, how I trade the market, and you will not regret following this channel. Thank you.